Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to perform at Emufest2020. My name is Tosinger and I have featuring with me on this performance Kunle Kuti on guitar.
What's up, y'all?
Hello, Enyarami. Ile malabo simioko. That's the first song we're doing. Ile means home. Ile o. Ile o, ile o, ile o, ile la bosimi yoko, ile la bosimi yoko, ile o o. Il la bosimi oko ileo. Il la bosimi oko. 1,000 times a day the mind must escape the desert of illusion. 1,000 times a day flowing from our hearts is the river of inspiration. Yeah, yeah. At the end of your labor, home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is, don't you know? At the end of your labor, home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is, don't you know? Ile la bosimi yoko. Ile la bosimi yoko. Ile o o o o. Ile la bosimi oko. Ile la bosimi yoko. Ile la bosimi yoko. Ile la bosimi yoko. Listen to this song ringing loud and clear. It's calling the prodigal sons. Although you have climbed Kilimanjaro and crossed the boundaries of the ocean, yeah, yeah. In the midst of your journeys, home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is, don't you know? In the midst of your journeys, home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is, don't you know? Ile la bosimi yoko. Ile la bosimi yoko. Ile la bosimi yoko. Ile la bosimi yoko. Home is where the heart is. Ile la bosimi yoko. Ile la bosimi yoko. Where there's peace, where there's love. Ile la bosimi yoko. Ile la bosimi yoko. Ile la bosimi yoko. Ile la bosimi yoko. Yeah, home is where the heart is.
Home is where the heart is.
Yes, I'm talking about home, Nigeria is home. And with the whole End SARS movement, we are also ending SARS from the diaspora. So that is why we're doing this next song. Some of us will know a redemption song by Bob Marley. We're going to put a twist to it and sing it in Yoruba. End SARS.
End SARS. I can't wait to hear that song right now.
Yes.
Let's redemption song.
Emancipate ourselves from mental slavery. Ani ẹ wá bá mi kọrin orin ìtura Orin inú ọkàn mi, redemption song, orin ìràpadà, orin ìràpadà. Wọ́n gbé wa lóko ẹrú, wọ́n wá tà wá kọjá òkun, àní wọ́n fìyà jẹ wá, wọ́n fi pàṣán nà wá, ṣùgbọ́n agbára ló fi kún wa nípa oore-ọ̀fẹ́ Ọlọ́run. Ìtẹ̀síwájú ṣáà ni ìṣẹ́gun ní tiwa. Àní ẹ wá bá mi kọrin orin ìtura, orin inú ọkàn mi, redemption songs, orin ìràpadà, orin ìràpadà. Ẹgbàrá yín lẹ̀ kẹronú, àwa ara wa la máa túnra wa ṣe. Ẹ má ṣe bẹ̀rù, ẹ má ṣe fòyà, kò sí ẹni tó lè dá ìgbà dúró. A ò lè jẹ́ kí wọ́n pa wá tán o, ká wá máa wò bí mumu. Àwọn kan sọ pé bó ṣe wà nìyẹn, pé àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ mà ní. Àní ẹ wá bá mi kọrin orin ìtura, orin inú ọkàn mi, orin ìràpadà, redemption songs, redemption songs. Won't you help to sing? Redemption songs, orin ìràpadà, orin ìtura, orin ìràpadà, orin ìtura, 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 ìràpadà, 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 ìtura, 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 ìràpadà. Freedom songs, redemption songs, freedom songs, redemption songs, freedom songs, redemption songs. Won't you sing? Redemption songs, won't you sing? Redemption songs, won't you sing? Freedom songs, won't you sing? Redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption songs. Thank you very much. Eshe Kunle Kuti, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Emufest2020. Thank you, beautiful Nubia. Thank you, everyone.